Anyways, I was saying this is a Grabo Globe 4D. They're same as the orbs, okay? Anagram orbs. He's getting me a lozenge. Okay, here we go. So we all know these notoriously online, everyone never blows these up far enough, but we're going to give this a go. All right, so that's not far enough either, but I'm going to let it go because I've never used a Grabo one of these before. It didn't pop out like the Anagram one does.
Would you like a...
I would love that. Thank you. Oh, in Albania, we got these lozenges. They're eucalyptus. They are so strong, but they work. So anyways, okay, I'm going to finish it off with a hand one. I do have another one in the other room if I do need one, but let's hope we don't pop it.
That sounds
Isn't that
awesome.
awful? All right. So,
okay, hold that up to show everyone because this is pet peeves of ours. Do you
make sure you don't see the lines, okay? Or at very least minimal, okay? But in summer months, right? Remember I said we have to be meteorologists? If you were in an air-conditioned studio and you blew it up to look like this and you go to take it outside, guess what's going to happen? It's going to pop like crazy. So know your environment. We're here. We're indoor, outdoor living. So it's the same temperature inside it is outside. I'm good to fully blow it up. In the winter, you would really want to max it out because if you go, it goes into someone's house and they have it colder. They don't have the heat on as high. It will shrink. So keep all these things that we have to keep in mind. Okay.
Unless you go into a house where they keep it in tropical conditions in the wintertime and all of a sudden you go in their house and it pops.